Hey, I'm John. I'm a director of engineering at Tune.
And I'm Cody, also director of engineering.
We're just talking about autonomy and how we believe that autonomy is a really important part of our engineering culture here.
We also think it's unique, the level of autonomy we offer up to our engineers. And as a result, we've had some major decisions for the company that have been driven by those individual engineers.
Yeah, one example of that is how most of our back-end systems today are written in Go. That's because one engineer was teaching himself Go at home and wanted to bring it in here and use it on a new production service he was writing, because that service had to be amazingly fast and reliable at a very high scale.
Yeah, and so it turned out to be the right tool for a lot of problems that we have here, which is why we see such widespread adoption. You know, anywhere where we need type safety and also native concurrency support, it's a great choice for that. And it also works really well given the volume of data we deal with and the real-time requirements we're up against.
Right. So all these benefits that we've gotten from Go are because we gave our engineers the autonomy to choose the right tool for the job.
And it's not just Go. We've had engineer-driven decisions of, from Kafka and Spark to React on the front end as well.
And this theme of autonomy, even plays into policies that we make here. Our assumption is not that the engineers are wrong if they're not following the policy. It's that the policy is wrong if it's not meeting the engineering needs.
One good example of that is our incident response process. So how we do the analysis and write-up following a major service-impacting event. A lot of us have worked at places where that process is so painful and overbearing, you just never do it and you never learn from anything. And we began to see that here, given the way we had initially rolled that process out. And so we took all that feedback seriously and dramatically simplified how we perform that work. And so now it's much lighter weight. We get some people together, we dig through some logs, we have a short meeting to discuss, and then we distill down the action items to solve the problem, and we move on with our lives.
Yeah. Really, we just believe that autonomy is a fundamental part of our engineering culture here, because it not only makes it a better place to work, it also produces better results for the company.
Right. We think through autonomy, we get better systems, better products, and ultimately better careers for all of us, because we have all these challenging problems we get to go solve on our own.
The end.
Boom.